salam kana magjahan di ba jibong mo na sumre bae plakan upay kani naman nangrem naman NGO maksan asimang bakrani naman asimang sakan tikon material na tablongin kusiyo nga aro tsenga riang ple nasimang ni plakam rangko tsenga antengni
kadang jika balik ai wei kong badai grace ka sobai kong chu.
Good evening to my Arctic brothers and sisters who are here. Please have patience, although we are just arraigned. Since we are tolerating this government, discriminating us, criticizing is this the government you have voted? Nation of Bangladesh? And why?
Imported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? A police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. Bhai, tu Bangladeshi hai, so Bangladesh mein jao. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Arctic people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Arctic land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofiur Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message, claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chiminang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Arctic land. Sofiur Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Arctic people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the ymioh people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Arctic and the ymioh are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, you have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is the land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight. You attack the poor people. You attack those weak people in Chiminang, the Agaro brothers and sisters, because they are minority in numbers. If you want to show power, come to Tura, let us fight. Come out of the plain belt. Fix the day, fix the time, the ymioh and the Arctic will be there. Let's see who wins. These Bangladeshis, they came as Libra, they came as tenant. They used the people of Garo Hills, the Arctic people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills, the illegal stone mining that is going on. is because of these people. And we blame our leaders, we blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Mias have dared to attack the owner of the land, Mr. Conrad Sangma, and all the leaders. It is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Dilsang Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their blood earner in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, yes, because of your vote bank politics. You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. Of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang and Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shop, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your ymioh brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have let you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money. And now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make a stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads. Stadium. Bridges. Schools. Colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our Nyotra brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotra people. Ngakwa ban pinkan mau ya kini. Balada menta kini ki briew kila persyang ban kini ya ka khendau ka siap ya ka hok long try ya ka hok halor ka sensyar ka kadar jong ki Garo po Garo Hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy ki briew kin kini ya ka hok long try halor ka khendau ka siap halor ka sanhima sima jongngi unyo trep lada ngimlong ki bausiar pari kani ka jingalang menta ka sikam dei tang bangin ay ya kataka ka jingkersyan yaki perlok ki jong ya po Garo Hills ka deiru ka jing penkan mau ka jing penkan det yangi kum ki trairi trai muluk bangin long ki bausiar atong ni kwa bakai ka baca Garo Hills ka ju ka pot kan jayangi hanya porilum kasih bajentia ni hap ban perkat ban rai kata ngim kwa ban yoi bawairu udo usna mo jongi unsha bena la ka jongi yengi sam unsha kni ya ka jaka ka puta unsha punya unsha kni ya ka jongi cingem gay ka bamat kini ka parlok ki jongi po Garo Hills kala banja hangnya rilum kasih bajen tia ka jongi ru ladang ngimlong ki bahusia pari kare kata ka jingmut jongani ka jingelang kadai kumbong iba Thomas bateng-teng ko majai priung ya ban pelong ya kum kini kijengalang ban pen kendit ban kersiu tia ban pen kenau ban ngimdai ban shong tia thai ngimdai ban suhun tang balayo ya karoi kapar kalau biang ni kelak dopat ya kok long trai kalau ka kendo ka siap ka jongi pari kata ka ni jingmut jongan ni jengalang banangnya syakman pepa ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongi Paypa ya karut ka kiar ka jongpi halaki jongki shong ki tau halaki jongki it ki hima halaki jongki yen ki sam Paypa ya ka sor shilong ka badon ka sor ka bangi ni long try lada wan nang nuru na keleng jong ka briew nyotrem atong ni long try halaka jong kari ka jongi adong idang kwa ban penne ya ka ni jing long try ka jongi atong ni kwa ba hadin sanpos nam hadin sispas nam laring pelong kum kini kijelang baro kini kidukan ki nong we nong ar ki long try ki dei ban khang kum ni kum ka dei ban khang man ta si karai kari ka jonga ka jongfi karai kani jong kani ka pateng ka bamenta lada kani ka pateng ka bamenta kam syam ya karai ka batenge ban yadai la ka jong ka khando ka siap kan mau baki kun ki kti ki jongi kinom don khando kinom don siak banyada lan banyale ban penne pensa kata kari ka jing sisa ka banya ban perkat hatungi aimo ya kata khno ka siap ala jongi kun ki kti lan ka pateng ka bansawan kenang mau makiru kila ban yeng banyada ban penne pensa lada kali kapateng ka pamenta ngimyeng banyada ngimyeng ban penne pensa kapateng ka banong kabanangwan kanomdon kendo kanomdon siap bahkan penne pensa pari hot nisngol sarong bangiyo yaw tau chief minister ubalanang lastat niyo yaw chief minister ubala puli na kiri kibapao jang kapertay niyo yaw chief minister ubakren syafang kata karoi kapar ubakren yakinyo hajar pra hajar sipo hajar kror ki development manusnem ki bapoy sa kaning jela ka jongi Ubakran siya pang kataka economy, kabanpoy siya kapaka siya taka $10 billion economy. Pari ka jingkali kalong. Atong inhun, laningin ya pen, ya kataka roy kapar, bat ka hok long try ka jongngi, halo kani ka kendaw ka siap. Atongin ya pen, ya ka jing long try ka jongngi, halo ka kendaw ka siap. Halo kani ka snap ka bakerpang, ka baunong tau, ula ayaw nyautrap, unyoskum, langin ya pen, tang namar kata ka 10,000, ka Hasan 1,000, ka Arpo 1,000, crore ka development, lani ki roy ki par, ki bakini ki nongilam ki jongi, ki wandra. Mr. Conrad Sangma, abaulet siya di maasaw. When he went to the maasaw, he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule. He is, or he still is, for the last 8 years, as the chief minister of our state, his party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon hakashuki mentala prasnam. Ulet sa di masaw. Banong ba lapen plot yaki kendon jong ka 6th schedule. Ule ayu pat hapo JGDC mentasan posnam. Kalayay kata kajing penbelan mentah prasnam uladon nakasuki hatu ula persyang mo ban penbet yaki jing bakla kibaki noilam kibarem kilale. Pimla ban sukeno yaki belalet nawak kim don syu akapo. Pi don akabor mentah pile ayu kan ban penbah ya kata kajing bakla kabaki noilam kibarem kilale. Kata kada jingkeli kabangi kwa banbu yau Conrad Sangma ya ka sorkar ka jongi ya kinoilam ki jongi ladale chakwi ka jela chakwi jaka ban yo nong politics piong balablat la tulat ki kendon jo ka 6th schedule wan pat hayeng la jong haji HDC kasinong try ka jongu la kala long hanta uklet pan ba HDC mentala sanpo teligis nam kiat post new, hajing bakla, namar kila ailat, yakin mender, bakin yok banlong kinong taput, batru, ban yok banlong kita ki MDC. Bale ymioh, hakini ki pratli ki senam ki belalet. Andang mentah, haba kini ki parlok garu, ki yen, ban yada, ban penek pensa, ban yakun, ban tikna, baka JCDC, kadai nam tau garu, kimi kini keke. Nyemla abanlan, bakal kajing bakla, kajing ailat, akini kisan pau teligis nam, kinyo pau teligis nam. Bayak kiwei pa lailat, banyak sementa kini election jong kaji CDC. Mereka por kadang biang, banwanra ya kajing kela. Dialog katakan orang bagi parlok na pogaru skiyen, hakum kani kapor banong, bakaladei kapor ban pendek. Ya kan ni jing bakla ko mangilaya lenti menta dekin nyopo teligis nam kadai yang iru kum kajat ndrew nyotrem bangin ai kajing kersyan yeki porlok ngapo garu les bakin pendai ya kan ni jing bakla naman ladang ngimla ban pendai kan mau ladang ngimla ban pendai mano bantep kombong mene di Pak Thomas wat hang ni hang iru kalak banja kalak banlong bat gini ki briew kilak ban pendan kam da kibor kibakam hajrong ban penbor yang ini ban ailat yakiru bakini sembenta hakini ki institution lana kita kibor kibai kerpang yang ini kum kijak penriulo bari ngakot ngawer yapi nakani kajaka hakani kajanmi ke pemerintah bangin ya yeng ban teli kawe kum kajak penriu nyautrap ban yeng, ban ya teli, kawe, kum ki trairi, trai muluk, ban pentikna, bangi, hidai ki trai, jong kani ka jela mekhalia, jong kini ki lum, kasih dan tiabat garu. Ban pentikna, bau nongwe nongar, dan hop, ban shong, haki dorbar trairi ki jongi, dan hop, ban shong, ban rung, ban long nong kawan, haki the council, belajar mi ke bamenta, balada dan kam banyami, Ngin yami, ringim tikna, bakini ki dorbar trairi ki jongngi, kini banne akati ke jongngi. My brothers and sisters, Yachik brothers and sisters, who are here today, we make this promise before you that COMSO, all the organizations that are there, as well as each and every person of the Nyotrip land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Yachik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garo Hills during this time, and we ensure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the Nyotrip people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters. And thank you very much for being here, the leaders of Nangringaman Achik Dol, or the Unified Garo Organization, the students and leaders of the Garo Students Union, Khasil Zone, as well as to all the Achik brothers and sisters who are here in Shillong. Thank you very much for your time and for coming into this meeting. And this meeting, as I was saying, we have only one purpose, and that purpose